out here at the land. It is freezing out right now, so I apologize if I'm slurring my words. It's like 20 degrees out, so my jaw's moving a little slow. Just get my Joe Biden on. We got the ZR2 in front of me right here. The dogs loving the land. Was thinking about getting a trail cam out here and just putting it in the woods on the property, because it'd be kind of cool not to like see if people are walking on here. That's not what I'm talking about. I mean, I guess there'd be a like a double thing here for security, but also just to see like animals like coyotes, bucks, something like that. It'd be really cool. Oh my God, it is so cold out. All right, the ZR2 with a new modification. Was gonna keep this a surprise for you guys, but we have the 37s next to the ZR2, not on it yet. I'm waiting on Shane. He's super busy, like all mechanics across the country. No one can find good help right now, but we have the 37s next to the 33s, which just look like little baby midget tires now. It's crazy how huge these 37s are, and then plus once the these are on, that's obviously going to bump the truck up in the air that much more, so it's going to look even better. Even though I'm not a big fan of the fender flares, I'm excited to see how those like chunky wide fender flares are going to look on the body of this thing. It's going to be sick. I also have a mind, been driving around with the spare tires in the back. I kind of look that aesthetic and how it looks. It's so cold out that my GoPro keeps shutting off. It's not even that cold. It's like 20 degrees, but the wind chill, I guess, on this hill puts it in the teens. But yeah, trail cam down there, I feel like that'd be pretty cool. I'm not really like huge into hunting. I never hunted before in my life. I think I shot a bird with a BB gun whenever I was little. But and it's something I don't really see getting into, but the coyotes and stuff around here could definitely see smoking them just because of the dogs around and stuff like that. Can't let that happen. Got to protect Piglet and Oatmeal. I think my dogs would be okay. They'd be able to, like, they're big enough that the coyote might not mess with them. But yeah, definitely want to protect Mike and Gina's dogs, so might be a big coyote hunt going on here in the near future. 717 headquarters, we have hot sauces, we have hoodies, we got stickers, we got key tags, detail sprays, t-shirts. We also have a C7 Z06. Now, unfortunately, I cannot let you buy this C7 Z06, but what I can have you buy is one of our great products to enter you to win this gorgeous supercharged Z06 in Santa's Sleigh Red. We got the Don't Blame Me shirt, the Halloween special shirt here, the classic secured by AR-15, Second Amendment practice here, also in hoodies. So make sure you check that out. These aren't on the website yet. Whenever they're live, I'll let you guys know. They might be live right now. Go check it out down in the description. Tons of stickers, key tags, hoodies, we got it all. You guys don't want to miss this. Time's running out. All right, let's get down to business here. Rolling up on what is to be the accident here. I'm behind Aruga's on Route 22 in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. So on this road here, this is a very busy road, and I noticed that there is obviously a motorist here who's stranded, and I think it's on the opposite side of the vehicle is the damage. The front tire is completely smashed in, the suspension, steering, all that's ruined. This guy's directing traffic. This is an extremely blind hill. Cars come over this hill sometimes at like 80 miles an hour. I actually had, maybe not classmates, but they went to the high school with me a few years back before me. I'd say they graduated, I guess, like 5 years after me or something like that, and they sadly died because of coming over that hill, lost control, and smashed into a tree. So it's a super dangerous hill, very, very risky just coming over there and having a stranded vehicle there, just not good. So eventually it dawns on me, why don't I turn around and help these poor people? Like, I have a 4-wheel drive truck and some tow straps. Like, it's nothing. I'm just coming back from the vet. I had my dogs with me. So it was no skin off my nose to just bang the Yui here and go back and help these guys. So huge traffic jam here. Police are still not on the scene. This guy's trying to direct traffic. I think that he wasn't the owner of this vehicle. He was the owner of the other vehicle that smashed into this. I guess it was just some kid on his way to McDonald's, pulled out. So like I said, this is sort of a blind turn. Cars come flying over that hill. So I kind of felt for the kid because, yes, it is his fault, but still just kind of a tough situation to be in, especially whenever you're younger. It's probably his parents' car or his first car or something like that. So eventually, this guy's able to get to us to direct traffic. I pull off to the side here, try and get off the road as best I can. That's the kid over there to the left. He's in his McDonald's apron. I honestly really feel bad for this kid because I know what it's like to be a young kid. Luckily, I never wrecked my vehicle, but I know it would have been devastating to have had that happen. State trooper pulls up and asks me what I'm doing. I let him know that I was trying to hook straps to the disabled Ford and pull him out of the way. He's like, you have straps? So I was like, yes, I do. And he said, get him out of here. So that worked out really nice. Police was able to block traffic, too, whenever I was laying under the vehicle to make sure that no one comes over the hill and just wrecks the Ford again. So kept me safe. And then after I positioned the truck, for some reason, this happens. Get it. We're gonna go straight back, sir. I'll try and get off to the right. Where do you want to go exactly?
You see where that gold Kia is? Up on the left, the bronze one?
I'll try and pull you over there.
Yeah, just so it's off the road.
Gotcha.
Where you going, that way? Yeah, go for it. Tommy, But if you're Kia, that's where we're going. Okay, tell her to the Kia.
Clear out of here, because if that snaps, it'll take your head off. Back up.
So now the fun starts. I was able to get their vehicle out of harm's way. Everything seems to be hunky-dory. Get back in the truck. The dogs are in the truck. And I have to turn around. I sort of blocked my entrance with the Ford Escape behind me. So I have to go a little off-road here and down this embankment, which was a pretty steep embankment to get out of here. So thinking nothing of it, because I've taken this truck off-road all the time, I start to descend the hill and this happens. Hang on, I gotta put it in four-wheel. There's no way I'll be able to back up.
Yeah, put it in four-wheel. You'll have to back it up.
What is it?
Manhole cover.
Oh.
You're good right now if you get back.
All right. Hopefully I can get some grip. Let me put it in low.
Yeah, just don't gun it. Go slow.
All right, here we go. I'm such a moron, I didn't think what I was doing, and I'll show you what I ran into. You guys can actually see the tire track too of where I was trying to back out and get back up the hill. This is an extremely steep embankment, and then to be hung up on this huge manhole cover, I pushed it off of where it was at, so dislodged that, and then it's super embarrassing because it's like, all right, cool, I helped these people out, and then to have another accident happen, plus I probably damaged the crap out of the truck because I've run into stuff before with this machine and on that exact side, and the results were definitely not what I wanted. The bumper was all smashed in. But for this, somehow we were able to get away with it. The steel bumper saved us here, so big ups to Fab Fours, saved the front end of the truck, just a good bit of paint chipping on that, so I'll have to just touch that up. So it goes to show, these off-road vehicles, even whenever you're an idiot, they still get you out of trouble. And even better yet, yes, granted, I had to put it in four-wheel drive, and it was 4 low. I didn't have to lock the differentials, but just that was enough to pull it out of there and get me out of harm's way. So that was awesome. The ZR2 is so great. I cannot get enough of this truck. If you guys are ever on the fence about what should I get for an off-roading vehicle, and you're thinking about a Trail Boss, Raptor, TRX, this is the way to go, because it's going to beat them any day of the week with just some slight modifications. I know some people might doubt that, but it's a very light, skinny truck, and it'll do anything that those other vehicles can do, just better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, so close to 50,000 subscribers. Big giveaway going on whenever that happens. Follow me on Instagram, RFRacing717 right down here. I think I'm close to another milestone on that handle as well, so make sure you do that. Helps out a ton. Also, likes, comments, anything you guys do to support the channel means so much to me. Say wreck in the comments if you made it this far in the video, not only for the ZR2 saving the day, but also getting in a wreck herself. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you next time.